po. Malapit na kami mag-uwian. Wala na kasing tsuka.
Ano na guys?
You really feel that I went back to the nature.
Ano masasabi mo pag ulit sa Tagaytay?
Well, I would say that it's really my privilege, you know, that I am here in Tagaytay because this is really my first time. And you know what, guys? I am so lucky, and it's really been my pleasure that my friends are here with me, you know, celebrating the new year. No, anyway, going back. Ang ina mo? Ang ina mo!
Ngayon pasok ko sa ano ko. This will be your last walk. This will be your last walk here at Tagaytay. Oh, siya Tagaytay. Buring-aring kang bakla. Ito ko buring.
Hi, welcome to Tagaytay. One of the finest flights in the Philippines, Tagaytay. Hello, guys. And this is Chanel. Si Madam Chanel. Kaya na kayo nangarap yung buong Chanel.
Pakilala. Yung iba rin. Pakilala mo ba yung iba? Ikaw nga yung host eh.
My couple friend, this is Jackie Fernandez, and this is his boyfriend, and the name of this guy is Jason. Of course, your host for tonight. Chanel. Hi, good morning, Philippines. Good morning, world. Well, you may know, and I'm the one. And I'm the one who facilitates this project, okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, here they are, our involved candidates. Swearing they are so upset. Okay, call on candidate number 1, please. Hi. There's Alex David. On your own. Anaheim, California. Our candidate number 2. Hi. I'm Chanel. Ecuador.
Naman din. Bakla ko ka rito ng ano natin. Imbak na.
Tita Len po, super beautiful.
Parang hindi naman. Yes. O, game na. Harap. Bawal itagilid yung kami. Kailangan straight lang. Siya kapag tinagilid. Hoy. Aura.
Alam mo namang nearsighted. Ito ko lahat ng mga lalaki na kita ko may girlfriend. Ay, akala ko'y boyfriend ko dahil.
Hello.
Don't upload that video.
What?